Cytoplasmic inheritance. The inheritance of most of the character of an individual is governed by nuclear genes. But in some cases, the inheritance is governed by a cytoplasmic factor or genes. When the transmission of character from parents to offspring is governed by cytoplasmic gene, it is known as cytoplasmic inheritance or non-Mendelian inheritance or organellar inheritance. So initially, inheritance ಅಲ್ಲಿ two type of inheritance ಬರುತ್ತೆ. First one is chromosomal inheritance, second one is cytoplasmic inheritance. That is character transfer from one organism to another organism, that is parent to offspring ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಥ್ರೂ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಥ್ರೂ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮಲ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಅಂತವನ್ನ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲಿ ಗವರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ along with the cytoplasmic factor. So cytoplasmic factor ಇಂದ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಜೀನಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ರೋಮೋಸೋಮ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅವನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ ಜೀನಿಕ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So initially cytoplasmic inheritance is also called as non-Mendelian inheritance. So because Mendel do not describe ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಾನ್ ಮೆಂಡಿಲಿಯನ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನಲಾರ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೈಟೋಕಾಂಡ್ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಟೋಕಾಂಡ್ರಿಯಾ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇ ಎ ಮೇಜರ್ ರೋಲ್. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆರ್ಗನಲ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ comes in 1909 in 4 o'clock plant Mirabilis jalapa for leaf colors. Later on cytoplasmic inheritance was reported by various workers in various organisms. So ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ 1909 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಮಿರಾಬಿಲಸ್ ಜಲಪ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಲೇಟರ್ ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವೆರಿಗೇಟೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 4 o'clock plant. The cytoplasmic inheritance or extranuclear inheritance of 4 o'clock plant by plastid was first of all described by C. Cairns in 1908 in 4 o'clock plant, that is Mirabilis jalapa. In contrast to other higher plant Mirabilis containing 3 types of leaves and parts. So initially cytoplasmic inheritance ಅಥವಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಮಿರಾಬಿಲಸ್ ಜಲಪ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದವರು ಯಾರು ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 1908. ಸೊ 1908 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮಿರಾಬಿಲಸ್ ಜಲಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಮಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಹೆರಿಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ 3 types of leaves and other part. So 3 types of leaves present ಇದೆ and along with some other plant part also present in Mirabilis jalapa plant. So first one is ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ fully green leaves. First one is fully green leaves along with the branch having chloroplast. So branches ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ chloroplast present ಇದೆ, that is first character. Second character ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ white pale leaves and branching having no chloroplast. So second character pale white color leaves present ಇದೆ, that is not 100% pale white leaves. So initially ಏನಾಗಿದೆ pale white color leaves present ಇದೆ along with the branches having no chloroplast. So branches ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು chloroplast absent ಇದೆ, that is second character. Third character ಏನು variegated branches. So third character variegated branches having leucoplast in white pale and RS and chloroplast in green patches because the chlorophyll pigment of chloroplast in relative with photosynthesis of food and leucoplast are able to perform photosynthesis. So initially variegated branches ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ leucoplast present ಇದೆ. So there are different types of chromoplast. So chromoplast ಅಲ್ಲಿ depending on the green color, so green color present ಇದ್ರೆ chloroplast ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. absence of any coloring agent, so coloring pigment absent ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಂತವನ್ನ leucoplast ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So red color ಇದ್ರೆ rhodoplast ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So based on the color, so different type of chromoplast are present in plant bodies. Next one is energy. So the white or pale part of the plant survival by recessive nutrient from the green part covered Currents reported that flower green branches produced only in green offsprings region of the genotype and phenotype of pollen parent. Likewise, flower from the white and pale branches produce only white or pale seedling. The plant pink from the white or pale seedling die before the lack chlorophyll and cannot carry the photosynthesis. Currents further reported that flowers from the lead branches yield mixed progeny of green, white and variegated plant in the table. The irregularity of transmission from variegated branches is understood by considering cytoplasmic gene of plastid. A study of the egg during oogenesis in Mirabilis reveals that the who plasmic contain white plastids if the derived from the green plant tissue, it ooplasm containing green plastid if derived from the variegated tissue, its cytoplasm. Many containing colored plastid only, white plastid only, a mixture of colored and white plastids. A study of the pollen grain genes is, however, reveals the pollen contain a very little cytoplasm, which is most cases David for plasmid. Without the plastid, that the pollen cannot affect this aspect of offspring's phenotype. Mitogenic segregation. The variegant branches of Mirabilis jalapa produce three kinds of eggs, some containing only white chloroplast. In the subsequent mitotic division, some form of cytoplasmic segregation occur that segregate the variegated phenotype in the progeny individual. This process of shortening might be described as mitotic segregations of this a mixture pure extranuclear phenomenon. In this phenomenon, since both segregation and recombination of organelles genotypes takes place, so it is called cytoplasmic segregation and recombination. The chloroplast is the chloroplast containing organelle performs photosynthesis and starch grain for forming of plants. It is known as plastid before chloroplast develops when green and dark. They do not develop into chloroplast. This develops plastid referred to as plastid lesions in photosynthesis of the chloroplast result in the plastid formation, which year law of green color when plastid perform occurring in particular tissue of a plant propagation result that is there are both green and white obtained as white strips. Branching of origin of plants. Branch of origin of female parts. Next, progenies. Green branches having crossed with a green pale or white variegated ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಪ್ರೋಜೆನಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೈಟ್ ವೆರಿಗೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ 3 ಪ್ರೋಜೆನಿಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ 3 ಪ್ರೋಜೆನಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋಜೆನಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರಬಹುದು ವೈಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಜನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈಟ್ variegated. So initially first one is green plant ಅನ್ನ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಆರ್ ವೈಟ್ ವೆರಿಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ವೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಲ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾವು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ವೈಟ್ ವೆರಿಗೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ತ್ರೀ ಪ್ರೋಜೆನಿಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪೇಲ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈಟ್ green pale, third one is white variegated. These are all the three different types of progeny produced crossed by the white or pale male parent with the green pale or white variegated female parent. Third one is variegated plant crossed with the green pale or white variegated plant. Green pale, white, green pale, next white variegated plants produced.
Maternal inheritance by Iojopa gene of maize. Marcus M. Rothard works on the variegation in corn in 1946, controlled by a Iojopa chromosomal locus, which when homologous prevent plastid from developing as a chloroplast and thus result in variegation. In variegation, the Iojopa affected plastid do not contain ribosomes or ribosomal RNA. They therefore block protein synthesis. The interaction of chromosomal and extrachromosomal inheritance in shown in the reciprocal cross, in which one cross produce result exactly as would be predicted on the basis of sample Mendelian inheritance with the homologous recessive, including variegation when the reciprocal cross is carried out. Blotch variegation is seen in the both F1 and F2 that carry the dominant IJ allele. This inheritance pattern is caused by the fact that pollen grain in corn do not carry chloroplast, whereas the ovule does this. The first cross deal with the passage into the F2 of normal chloroplast only. In the F2, the recessive small ij genotype then induce variegation. The chloroplast of the pollen parent are important because the stigma parent is variegated. The F1 is heterozygous but carry proplastid from the ovule that remain plastid even under the dominant normal, that is capital J allele. The refer region of colorless cell produce white spots once the small j allele induce chloroplast to become plastids. They do not enter revent to normal type even under the small j allele. Thus we see the interactions of the chromosomal genes and the chloroplast itself, which inherited as changed condition. There is some evidences of IOJOP may suppress the chloroplast rather than cause a mutations of function. There are loci in the chloroplast. Removal of suppression rather than actual reversion rate is too high to be due to the simple back mutation. Therefore, there is some evidences that LOJOP may suppress the chloroplast rather than cause a mutation of some functions. These are loci in the chloroplast. Removal of suppression rather than actual version rate is too high to be due to simple back mutation. Parents: female parents, male parents, female parent containing stigma, male parent containing pollen grains. Genotype: female parent genotype is capital I small j, capital I small j, and male parent genotype is small I small j, small I small j. Next one is phenotype: green and variegated. F1 generation produce capital I small j, small I small j, and self-pollinated F1 generation. F2 generation will produce capital I small j, one offspring. Second offspring is capital I small j, and the third offspring is small I small j, and the condition is first offspring is green in color, second parent is also green in color, and the third offspring is variegated in nature. Next, parents: female, male, female parent containing stigma, male parent containing pollen grain. Genotype: small I small j, and male parent containing genotype capital I small j, small j. Phenotype, that is female parent phenotype is variegated, male parent phenotype is green. Next, F1 generation सली प्रोड्यूस होगा ऑस्प्रिंग्स ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ capital I small j, small j, and F1 generation is self pollinated, but F1 generation offspring is blotch variegated in nature. F2 generation produce three different kinds of offsprings. First one is small capital I small j, capital I small j. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಬ್ಲಾಚ್ ವೆರಿಗೇಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ಬ್ಲಾಚ್ ವೆರಿಗೇಟೆಡ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಐ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜೆ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಐ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜೆ. ಆಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ನ ನೇಚರ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಾಚ್ ವೆರಿಗೇಟೆಡ್ ವೈಟ್ ನೇಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ಪ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಐ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಜೆ small I small j. So third parent is variegated in nature. Cytoplasmic inheritance by mitochondrial polystrain of Neurospora. In fungi, Neurospora crassa, a number of mutations of mitochondria are inherited via the female parent. The best study of this is the polystrain of Neurospora in the following aspects. First one is it is slow growing. Second one is it is a maternal inheritance. Third one is it is a abnormal cytochromes. Cytochromes are mitochondrial electron transfer protein necessary for the proper oxidation of foodstuffs to generate ATP energy. There are three main types of chromosomes, A, B and C. In prokaryote there is no cytochrome A or B, and there is an excess of cytochrome C. In reciprocal crosses, Pokey character show maternal inheritance. However, seen cross any nuclear gene that differ between the parental strains are observed to segregated in the normal Mendelian manner, and to Pokey that is female and male wild type that is male, all Pokey. Second one is wild type female crossed with the Pokey male one produce all wild type offsprings.